Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Tonight we are going to do a live training on how to use the sniper bot, how it will work for you, what you can do with it, and how you can make it a kind of close to set it and leave it bot. And it will enter the trade where it's supposed to. It won't enter when it's against levels and so forth. So we've got everything dialed in really well. I've been running it this week. Hitting my $500 a day goal per contract, and it shuts itself off and does a great job. It's working really well. So very happy with it. I have worked tirelessly on this, getting everything done, and tonight we'll talk about it. We'll go ahead and see what the bot does and how it works, and if this is something that will work for you. I'm sure it will once you see it. It's very reasonable for what you're getting, and for basically a nice dinner a day will pay for the bot and be more than enough money at the end of the month. I mean, if you make $500 every day, if you did that, you're looking at $10,000 a month. So very little money in order to make that kind of money. How you get registered for it, you'll need to go to spymoneyllc.com, your homepage, and register for the live webinar. Put your first name, last name, your email address, subscribe. You're going to get an email that you have to opt in to do this. Once you do that, I've already sent out the link for everybody else subscribed. But I will send out the link again about 7:30 tonight. That's 30 minutes before the webinar. So join it then. If you sign up after 7:30, probably have to wait till the next one because I'll send it out at 7:30 and go from there. If you have any questions, just send me a contact up here at the top. You click on contact, put in your first name, last name, email, your questions. If you need to talk to me, I can do that as well. And if you want more information on the lease program, just click on the lease program at the top. Once you do that, it'll open up and show you more about it. It's $1,000 for the first month and then $1,300 thereafter. The reason we do that is we're trying to help you get money in your brokerage account. So if we do it this way, then you're going to have $300 to put in your brokerage account. You're better off if you put $3,000 in. If you put $3,000 in, then you can run the bot on 1 mini and get your $500 a day. Works really well. So how you get started? Well, before we go into there, you get your SpyBot Coaster, SpyBot Sniper, so you get both bots. Sniper's the only one that I'm using right now. Here's a list of the indicators, and out from it shows what they do, how we use them. Frequently asked questions, read through those. It'll probably answer all your questions. And also, if you go up here, in order to join, you have to agree to these 14 items. I want people to understand before they pay money what they're getting into. If you like it, then you just go ahead and copy this and go up to the contact us. Put in your first name, last name, email address, phone number, right click and paste, and this creates a binding contract between us. I don't want anybody to sign up that doesn't understand the rules and so forth. I'm sure you'll be happy once you get signed up. We do offer the funded accounts. There are 3 that we recommend. These 3 here, the one that I think most people use are the take profit because you get faster money, and it's just the rules are less rules in this. I like it real well. You can use Spy Money TPT for the coupon. You can get your discount on it, and it works really well. You have to choose rhythmic data only. It will not work with Tradeify, so you have to use rhythmic data. Once you do this, you lease the program, you will get a platform, a Spy Money platform that you download, and you'll create a username and password for it, and then tie that into whatever brokerage you're using, whether it be a prop account or live brokerage or whatever you're accessing. Once you do that, then you're on your way to trading. You load your bots and so forth. It works really well. If you have any questions whatsoever, let me know. I'll be happy to get you started. Again, tonight at 8 o'clock is when we are doing the live training on the sniper bot and how we use it. You have to register right here for it. Once you register, I'll send out an email again at 7:30 tonight. Make sure you check your spam if you don't get it, to make sure it's not there. You guys have a great day. Enjoy it, and I hope to see you tonight.